हेलो दोस्तों, जय महाराष्ट्र। मेरा नाम से ज़्यादा मेरा काम ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो मैं आज से आपको ले जा रहा हूँ एक ऐसे मिशन की और जिसका नाम है मिशन सरकारी जॉब्स। तो हम आज इसमें पिछले मंथ के करंट अफेयर सीखने वाले हैं, जो एग्जाम व्यू पॉइंट से बहुत ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन ये है कि Who was the leader of Hezbollah, killed in an Israeli airstrike in Beirut in September 2024? A. Hassan Nasrallah B. Mahmoud Abbas C. Bashar al-Assad D. Ayatollah Khamenei. Answer. A. Hassan Nasrallah. Hezbollah leader Hassan Nasrallah was killed in an Israeli airstrike in Beirut on 28 September 2024. Nasrallah, who had led the Iran-backed militant group for over 3 decades, was a significant figure in Middle Eastern politics and conflicts. हमारा next question Who is the Indian athlete who won the gold medal in the men's 5000 meters race at the World Athletics Continental Tour in Japan in September 2024 and set a new national record? A. Avinash Sehgal B. Gulveer Singh C. Neeraj Chopra D. Jinson Johnson. Answer. B. Gulveer Singh won the gold medal in the men's 5000 meters race at the World Athletics Continental Tour in Japan on 28 September 2024. He set a new national record with a time of 13 minutes and 11.82 seconds. What is the name of the mission launched by NASA and SpaceX to bring back Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore, who were stuck on the International Space Station? A. Artemis IB, Crew 9 C, Orion 5D, Dragon 4. Answer. B. Crew 9. NASA and SpaceX launched the Crew 9 mission on 28 September 2024 from Cape Canaveral. The mission has 2 people on board and 2 empty seats to bring back astronauts Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore, who have been stuck on the International Space Station, ISS. What is the main purpose of declaring the eco-sensitive zone, ESZ, around the Gir protected area? A. Promote tourism. B. Balance conservation of Asiatic lions with sustainable development. C. Increase forest area. D. Build new villages. Answer. B. Balance conservation of Asiatic lions with sustainable development. The government has declared 1.84 lakh hectares around the Gir protected area as an eco-sensitive zone, ESZ. The goal is to protect Asiatic lions in Gir, their only natural home, while allowing for sustainable development. What is India's rank in the Global Innovation Index, GII, 2024? A. 39 B, 41 C, 37 D, 43 RD. Answer. A. 39 India has moved up to 39th place among 133 global economies in the Global Innovation Index, GII, 2024. Which countries are the top 5 most innovative economies according to the Global Innovation Index, GII, 2024? A. Switzerland, Sweden, United States of America, Singapore, and the UK. B. China, India, United States of America, France, and Japan. C. Germany, Canada, United States of America, Singapore, and Sweden. D. Australia, Canada, Switzerland, Sweden, and India. Answer. A. Switzerland, Sweden, United States of America, Singapore, and the UK. Which village in Manipur has been awarded as one of the best tourism villages in the heritage category in 2024? A. Nongpok Kakching. B. Undero Village. C. Ukrul Village. D. Khongjom Village. Answer. B. Undero Village. Undero Village in Manipur has been recognized as one of the best tourism villages in the heritage category in the 2024 edition of the Best Tourism Villages competition, organized by the Ministry of Tourism. Who won the IBSF World Chariot title in November 2024? A. Asjad Iqbal. B. Kamal Chawla. C. Malkeet Singh. D. NG Onye. Answer. B. Kamal Chawla. Indian snooker Kamal Chawla secured his first IBSF World Chariot title by defeating Pakistan's Asjad Iqbal 6-2 in the final on 25 November 2024 in Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. When is World Tourism Day celebrated each year? A. September 25 B. September 27 C. October 5 D. November 15. Answer. B. September 27 World Tourism Day, celebrated annually on September 27, established by the United Nations World Tourism Organization, UNWTO, in 1980.